Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to control phone using voice commands in Samsung A36 or A56. If you're using Samsung A36 or A56 and you want to use voice commands in your phone, so let's see how can I do this. You must have to open your phone settings. In settings, just look for accessibility. Here's that, just tap on it. And here just select interaction and dexterity. Select voice access from here and you must have to enable this. Just tap on or toggle it off to enable, and here just select allow, and here you must have to manage the setting. Just tap on agree, then agree again, then select allow, and here you can easily add the listening button if you want. Just tap on done, and here just select the listen for commands whenever my screen is on, then select continue, and then allow while using the app, then select continue, and here you must have to tap on allow. Now go back, and now whenever you want to use your voice commands, so you just have to tap on this one, and here you must have to download our language. Just tap on download, then tap on download again, and it is almost 62.06 MB. Just tap on it, download, and then wait for until it's being downloaded. Just wait for it. So when your download has been completed, you can easily use voice access. So just go back, and here whenever you want to use your voice access, you must have to tap on this and then say which you want. And I'm going to say open YouTube, and as you can see it has opened YouTube. So now you can easily use your controls searching swipe up or down, so whatever you want. So that's how you can easily use voice command in your Samsung A656 or A36. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.